Hello all, today we'll see how to open Microsoft Excel. In order to open Excel, click on the Start button or Windows button and then here you can see Excel right away over here. In this case, it is alphabetically arranged. If in case you're not able to find out Excel, move your cursor towards your right hand side. Once you move towards your right hand side, you can see this scrolling bar. Now, scroll this bar upwards or downwards in order to find Excel. Now double click on Excel, your Excel file will get open. So now we just need blank workbook. Just double click. Now your Excel workbook is open. This is the first method. Now I'll close this. Second method is this. At the bottom you can see type here to search. There just type Excel. You can see that Excel app is appearing over here. Just double click on that. Excel file will get open. Again we require a blank workbook. Just double click. Excel file will get open. Now I'll close this. Now the third method is this. If in case you are using Excel app very frequently, then you don't have to search. So just place your cursor over here, type here to search. Once you place your cursor over there, you can see these are the apps which has been frequently used. Now I want to open Excel. So you can see Excel over here. Just double click on Excel. Automatically Excel workbook will get open.